Like their own, write their own program, write their own software. Yeah. We also have some demo programs. So agent. Okay, what is raw data? How to draw the raw data from the unit, which is maybe, for example, in India, for example. Yeah. So this is you can set it as public IP or like what I say modem lines. This is one of the software to pull the unit for the event logs. Not sure whether I can say it. Okay. Give the links to them. There's a log viewer down here. That's for you to see the logs coming in. The viewer down here. Okay, agent magic. Usually I set it as default 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is depending on how you set it. You can even set it as 111 also no problem. Whole interval is 60. Should be I think it's milliseconds. It's not 60 seconds, it's 60 milliseconds. Log level is debugging. It's more for developers to see what are the maybe some bugs available or something like that. Error code to see error code. Usually as few as info. Okay. Database, depending on what database you have. So for this one, right, I think yeah, MDB file. Okay. So all this depending on the database name again. What database you created down here. All these are default settings for the creating of tables and all those event fields. All these are standard.
So it supports basically any kind of ID.
So depending on the what's IP is account here, mine is 192.168.100. I think it's standard. Okay. Running mode I set as real time mode. Do some demonstration as well. Some customers they put as schedule mode because to them they feel that real time mode is taking up the bandwidth. Yeah. So they do it as a schedule mode. They can set whatever time you want. Whenever something like that. Okay. So saving it. How to run it? This is actually endorsement. But there's something I'll touch on, right? There's something like it's not considered a bug. Yes, it is a bug. Okay. Why I say this way? Because there's actually when you install this program, they will install it into a local service. But the key thing is this doesn't run as a service. This runs as an application. Yeah. So take note of this. Yeah, because some customers they thought that it's running as a service.
So basically that you can set from the server whether service would run automatically or service would run.
Yeah, you can also do something like startup program. So whenever you start up, you run this program. Yeah, all those. They can play. They definitely can work around. There's a lot of.
That depends on what kind of operating system you are running on. It's not a problem.
Yeah, it's not really a issue. But some customers they thought it that way. Okay, so this one is an EFT file. I run this EFT file. This log level default is error. I think there's something written wrongly by the developer. It should be info. It should show something as info. So right now what it's doing, right? This PC is actually polling to this to get the event logs in. Viewer. It's getting all the logs in. This is the viewer. So you can see all the event logs coming in. This viewer, right, is actually not reading from this device. It's actually reading from the database, which is the MDB file. I'll open up MDB file and show you all. Let me see the location of it. System DSN configure. These are all the networks. This is where what agent is for.
And what are the field IDs? That is the user ID we are getting.
Yes, user ID.
This one is
depending on what configurator down there. Let me show you. Sorry. Depending on what you set down here. Here.
okay.
So it's according to the fields you have entered.
These are
Yeah. user ID, time entry, event ID, terminal serial number, and the image file. So this is for agent. Nothing fancy, but it's I think a lot of customers use this. It's very key because they have hero system. They only need the raw data. They don't need anything else. They need the raw data. This is what they look for. Panel. I think this one you might know about this. Administrative tools as a data source for DBC now.
That is ODBC connectivity and all. I understand that.
Yeah, you have to add for example.
These things are understood. It's not a problem because it is basic database function.
Yes.
So database name is.
Yeah.
I mean, configuration has to be done in the right way.
Yes, you have to configure the. You have to configure the configurator. Okay. The database name to point to the same thing. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
2 units, 2 standalone units.
Yeah.
Okay. Today, staff A come in, new staff come in, registered at unit 1. Okay. He is also going to work at unit 2. You don't want to go and register at unit 1 again. Okay, if it's 2 units, okay, but what if you have 20 units? You don't want him to register 20 times, right? So what you can do is using ACTAtek sync. It will sync whatever user information you want onto the other unit. If it's a standalone unit, it's all primary. This is how it works. This is what it's for. ACTAtek sync. Very simple concept. Depending on what type here. Okay. Take note that if you right click, add secondary. This one is actually not a secondary unit, it's a virtual secondary unit. Means the unit you want to transfer information to. Okay. So for example, 192.168.1.101. And you do a right click, compare and synchronize user. You compare both units and then see what are the differences. For example, user 1 is not inside the secondary unit, and ask you whether you want to send over. It's something like how it looks like. Show you what. Another terminal list. So I say that if you connected an agent down here or third-party software that's collecting data, you can see down here it's connected. This is the one I will show you just now.
For synchronization purpose, do you need to connect both the units one with another?
What do you mean by connect both units?
I mean, how do you synchronize the data? I understood the process.
So long as both units can be so-called accessed by the server. Accessed by the server means that this server has to be able to access into both of the units. Means inside, either inside the same network or one that is public IP. Yeah.
Got it.
This one is more